this place name is Rwegura. Rwegura.
Yeah.
Okay. So they have a small town, eh?
Yeah. Because there is a tea plantation here also.
Okay.
And some of the people here, they are workers at the tea factory.
Tea factory. Because they are generating wheat and tea and coffee plantation also.
Electricity.
Ah, they have a matara.
Yeah.
Good. See the beauty of this. Right side, eh?
Yeah, so you see other plantation.
Tea plantation, eh?
Yeah.
Right side we can see.
See?
So who is watching the video, please step out and explore the Burundi. This is Burundi, real Burundi. No one can show like this. Western media, they are not showing like this. They are putting bad image of Burundi. That's not good.
The beauty.
The beauty of all. This is the tea plantation. All
this is tea.
all mountain is covered by tea.
Yeah. The forest, there are animals.
They are animals.
Yeah.
You cannot see naked eyes there. You can't see. Morning time, maybe morning time they are coming.
Time, yeah, when they wake up, going to work, looking for food.
KIBIRA forest.
Most of the time when you can see. Yeah, so this is KIBIRA. So we have almost reached our destination.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the catchment lake.
Oh, this is the lake.
So now as we go past here, it's already Chibitoke province.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Very good.
So this is the KIBIRA forest, and you can see the lake next to me, next to us. Oh my God!
What is that?
This is the lake.
No.
The monument.
This is a monument. When the water level is increasing, maybe they are going to measure from there.
Yeah, I saw one picture. There is, it was
almost sometimes in rainy season, the water level is increasing. And this Patrick is going to explain. Patrick, engo nerusa.